Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on your iPhone. So if you want all of the data regarding networks and Wi-Fi and stuff like that to be removed, what you want to do is go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to general, so press on general, then scroll down again to transfer or reset iPhone. Press on that and then press reset. And here select reset network settings, and then once you enter your password, all of the network settings on your phone will be reset. You're going to press this confirm button, and this is the last step. Once you do that, and everything regarding network settings will be reset, and your phone will restart with fresh new Wi-Fi settings without any data with what networks you have connected to and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.